Alright, I was wrong about the wiring on the driver's side. Kind of, at least. It's the same here. So this is the last video, I was looking at the rear door handles. As I was looking at the connector on the door that meets into the body of the car, it didn't seem right to me, pin or B, whatever it was. But I was looking at the wrong connector here. This one here is actually for the front door, so this is what we're needing. It's the same, pin 1 and pin 3 for the power, the ground, and off the light and whatever not. But what you need for that one that goes into the actual door, don't know if you'll be able to see it, the one here, you need to look for B1 and B2 on there. So power, you want to run that to B2 connector. Then from B2 connector, you want to run that to the fuse box. Or tap that into your power for the fuse box if you already added the ambient lighting like I did on the center console. And the LIN, that's going to be pin 1 on the actual connector. That runs from there. That goes to the actual door connector. Through here, which is B1. So at that point, you want to go from B1, follow the interior lights, and that is pin 38 on the fuse box. So the rear doors all tap into pin 38. Same thing with the front door. They tap into pin 38 into the body control module. So that's for the front door. Now if you're doing the rear doors, what I had in the other video, I never noticed. All I seen was interior. I just kind of scanned it, interior. Then I seen it said rear door handle. But yeah, you just tap for the rear doors, make a power to the fuse box, make your LIN to pin 38, tap that in with all the other doors, and then you should be all good to go. So for the front door, I need to be looking at this one here. So I need to run from the connector here, I need to run that to B1 on the actual door that goes into the body of the car. Power, I need to run that into B2 connector. Then I just need to run it to the fuse box or wherever they go to for these parts here, which is the power on the fuse box. Or for the power of it, see if I can find it here, you want to run that into pin 4 for the power. And for that LIN bus, run from there to pin 38 on the fuse box. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys.